He's so cute. He's like holding hands, my babies.
Oh my god.
Ah! Ah! You're gonna get this. 3, 2. Jessica's new car. Holden Captiva 2011. Not new, bought it second hand, but you know, our latest car. I reckon it's fancy. I love it. And where's my babies? Can you see them in there? No, tinted. Hello, my babies.
We're going to a park today and see animals and the kangaroos and the zombies.
Yeah, the kangaroos and the zombies. Is there zombies at the zoo?
Yeah, I think.
Ah. Hey, did this?
Because them's a nice one because I want to feed them with a glass.
Yeah.
Because them's wants strawberry.
There. Can you see yourself now?
No.
This. Hello.
We're going to the zombies and
Nice chucks.
kangaroos.
What a swag.
Oh, wow.
And I'm gonna get Ava now. And where's my little baby? Hey, the third one over here, little Ava Marie. Ava Marie Gorman. Hello, baby girl. Hello. Aw, big smiles. He's so precious. Little 4-month-old. So cute. Here. You love your sister, hey Baba.
Yes, I do. You're my sister.
Aww. There he is. You know what it is. Look at those flags. Queensland, baby.
Going for a cruise today in the new car.
Yeah.
And Ditto's new glasses to match the new car.
We got
Much nicer than my old car.
Holden Captiva for the 4th baby. 7-seater.
Yeah, 7-seater. Yeah.
It's nice. I don't think it's a 4-wheel drive. I think it's just like...
No, it's just a big SUV.
Yeah.
Turbo diesel though. Good.
And where are we going today? We're heading to...
Queen's Park Nature Reserve in Ipswich. So the bubbers can look at the animals.
Not the craziest animals out there, but kangaroo, emus, what else? Little snakes here and there.
Yeah. Wallabies.
Oh yeah.
Birds. Lizards.
Get the bubbers out and about
Yeah.
on a Saturday.
Picking up my sisters as well to come with us. Get them out of the house. Yeah.
Crystal and Georgia.
Just driving through the beautiful Carroll Park at the moment. Very nice.
Yeah. Couple hookers there on the street later on. Done. Oh, Auntie and what's Hazel to you?
My niece?
Niece. Auntie and niece.
How did we up on the park?
I'm just
Auntie and...
had a brain freeze. I was looking for the word, you know. I was gonna say nephew. Magic. Whoa!
No, I'm free.
Look at the big colourful one over there.
That is a male one.
Yes, really. Okay, let's go. Look at this mummy. He's a big boy just walking.
Yeah, he's so cute in his shoes and he's so cool. And Hazel's so cute too. Okay, where's the bin? Because I'm not taking this in. Hang on, babe. I'm just going to put Ava in
Just over here. Okay, babe. Whoa, look how rainforesty it is. This? Look how rainforesty it is.
Can you open it for me?
Yeah.
Wait, last time we have... We didn't even get to see everything.
How long did you just go? Yeah, we're gonna go here. We wait for mummy first. Say, come on, mummy. Come on, mummy. So where did you get your makeup from? And where the inspiration to do your makeup like in this particular way?
Because my shirt's red, so I just did red makeup.
Oh, nice, nice. And what about you, Darius? Oh wait, that's natural.
Me.
It's so cute. It's like,
Me.
oh, and Hazel.
We can really see a camera and a birdie.
Whoa, and what else? Lizards?
Yes, and
Yeah.
cake, and the big cake.
Oh, the snake. And oh,
I'll
and
tell
guess
you
what
what.
else there is?
I'm pretty sure there's only like
Wombats.
4.
Wombat.
They go wobble, wobble, wobble when they walk. And a big birdie called the emu.
Those fucking.
It's huge. It's bigger than Daddy. They're like this tall. You lace monitor. What's the species doing over here in the wilderness? This is a rare occasion. You will find a crystal iguana.
It's a koala.
Oh,
Cute. It's a wallaby.
it's a koala.
Puppy.
Wallaby? That's a wallaby.
Say hello, Wallaby. Hello. Oh, he wants to see it, Mummy. Up close, Mummy. He wants to see it up close. Scenery. Wow, and look at Ava's little face. Mummy, slow down. I want to catch up. I want to catch up. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Mummy, I found myself a little koala.
Yes.
Hello, little koala.
Cuddly koala.
Babe, she's just like sitting straight up, just staring. So cute. Yeah?
Oh, look, there's bubble ones there. Look at the baby.
Oh.
Come over here, baby, where mummy is.
Johnny.
Hey, Ava.
Oh,
You're so precious.
cool. They're like a little avy. Little avy wallabies.
She just loves kisses.
I love them. Whoa, let's get down. There is. Baby, what's that's dangerous, darling.
Are you being cheeky?
You might fall down.
Are you showing off? He's like, look, Mummy, look how dangerous I can get.
Come ahead. That's so cute. This is cool. You must have animals that can kill you. You have nice ones. What? Report them. And then they go.
Look at them all. Holding hands, my babies.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Take a photo of them. Doing that. So when they hate each other when they're older, we can show them.
You can hear the birdies. How cute. See the blue tongue lizard?
Oh wow, that's a big one. Wow.
There's two in there.
Actually, Mom, what's in
It's on the other one.
Johnny T.
And there's the snakes. Just wait, let them have a look, babe. Oh. There's his head. Body. That's a big snake, look.
2
Crystal.
Johnny T.
Aw, I thought she wanted to see it.
No, she
Whoa.
doesn't like snakes. I would love to hold that. I would honestly hold that if it got out.
There he is. Holy crap, that's trippy. Alright, wait, Liam. Wait.
Let's find our next
Wait. Darius, come on. Hold hands.
Alright, Cameron, let's go then.
No, we're gonna go see the kangaroos. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Running, running, running. No, we're walking. There, look, Mummy. Mummy. Go, let's go, Mummy. Oh, no. And it starts. Okay, others. Come on, let's go. Over here first. Suki butt. Yes, suki bum.
Johnny T.
That's not in there. Nothing's in there.
Oh, sorry.
Like a brush.
There's the wombat. He's sleeping in there, look. Hey wombat. He's sleeping. See him there? That's him. Crystal, you missed the snake. It was so big. Baby, it was moving. It was like right in front of us. You should have seen it, babe. Oh yeah. There's a python. Python.
One I've seen. Or...
No, the big one. Oh, is that the one you seen?
Yeah, but it wasn't moving.
Yeah, it was moving. It was fully like climbing the thing.
Like close to the window. Like maybe
This is trippy because like you can see the scales like separating and crap. It's trippy. It was fully to the trip. Oh, is that yummy? What are you eating? Sandwich? What kind of sandwich? Peanut butter sandwich. Not shit, bro. Yeah, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Oh, okay. It's this, hey. He named this. So cute.
Hello. Georgia.
Georgia's way shorter.
Hi.
Johnny too.
Kitty. What? Let's go find the babies.
What's in here?
Scary stuff.
Not okay with this.
Come on. Come in. It's the little wrappings. What is it? Like desert mouse? Oh my god, look at the puppies! Oh my god, they're so cute. Look, Toto. For the bilbies, because they're nocturnal. Look at you, so cute!
That's a big
Darius, look.
It's a bilby.
Running around.
That's as big as they get. Running around.
Babe, that kangaroo up there is a beast.
Yeah.
One drinking out of the trough thing.
It's nearly got bigger arms than me. Oh.
Johnny
Oh my god.
Oh, he's seen ya.
Biggest stone.
That's a big kangaroo. Hey, Hazel. And an emu. Baby. Relaxing.
Johnny too.
Hey dudes. What are you doing? Just chilling out, dudes. Pretty lazy, pretty chilled out. There's a little kangaroo over there too. I think his name's this. They say kangaroo. He's so cute. Say bye, kangaroo. We're gonna go in a playground in the park. And go
I want to go in the fridge at the park, and I want to go in the zip.
yeah, super slide.
Bye, kangaroo. See you soon.
Aww. Bye, kangaroo. See you soon. Water. It's a nice chill spot over there.
Gave her a dummy? Yeah, the running water.
I'm pretty sure that's a nail.
Yeah, we're
Water,
gonna go for a
hey.
walk and see
Water's going down the
the
rocks.
dingoes in there. Come on, hold my hand. We're gonna go see doggies.
Water.
Yeah. You wanna see the doggies? Water. What's that?
There, look.
He's not
There.
even saying it.
There. Lizard. There on the wood. Water.
Johnny too.
Couple bats sleeping.
Hey, Daddy. Hi, Justin.
Hey.
Is there birdies?
Bit of a little sook sometimes. He wants to get cuddles and not walk. Daddy gets a bit of
Birdie?
training on the arms. There, look. Birdie there.
Oh.
Wow, that's a cool birdie.
What is it? Some kind of little
Johnny
fat pigeon animal. Oh, that's cute. What is that? I don't know. Look at the cut. Oh, hi, birdie. How beautiful.
Yeah, look at that red one over there.
There's a couple.
Hey, look, up the top.
And look, baby, over here.
Hi, birdie.
Look, baby, right here. Hi, right here.
Oh, there, look.
Oh,
Right there,
how
he's a
cute.
Yeah, big ones.
Oh, Turtle, these are the ones that fly around mums. Pale-headed Rosella. The ones,
very
the
close.
yellow ones with the blue body. You've never seen them before. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so cute. Hi, little friend.
Kind of beautiful, but
Hi.
very scared. Can we touch it? I wouldn't be surprised.
I wouldn't.
but it's good.
See if he wants to be touched. Come on.
Hazel.
Hazel. Oh. Hazel, no. You like the birdies?
Look, Mummy wants to be with this. He's saying hi to the birdies. Hi, birdies. Getting nice
Bubba's
and close
okay,
to the
Hazel.
birdies.
Aw, cute. Hi, birdie.
Oh, where they going? Say, come back, birdies. Bye-bye. We
Hey.
got one there too. In the tree. Wow.
I don't think you can see that one. It's a bit camouflaged.
Bye, birdie. See you soon.
Bye. Love you, birdie. Come on, sis.
Let's go find more. Bye.
Come on, daddy. Bye.
Dingoes, dingo, dingoes.
Look, you see? They eat kangaroos.
Yes.
Yeah. They have to eat something in the wild.
See?
Moo. Moo.
You can go that way, Frodo, if you want to bring the camera.
Careful with your knees, son.
Hey, get out of the garden, please. Come on.
Moo.
What is that?
Don't let him go too close, babe.
This is come over here. This way.
Johnny 32.
Baby, watch him. I don't want no hand getting bitten. Babe, get him away. I'm scared of this thing.
Okay, let's go, because he's not going to listen to me.
Johnny 2.
It's okay, bro. We're just trying to hang out with you. I dare you to pat him.
No, do it. I'll give you $5.
She's like $2. Okay, fine.
They're really dirty.
Nah, yeah.
No, it's clean as. Look at him.
Hello.
Read the freaking enclosure.
We please adhere to the phone. Do not eat or drink anywhere inside the animal. Do not feed them animals. Wash hands thoroughly after contact with animals. Animal enclosure. Diseased.
Johnny 2.
Why?
Just how cute he is.
Oh, hello, buddy.
Oh, that's it. I'm vegan.
No, but he's a bull. We don't eat the bulls. We eat the cows.
They look exactly the same. His arms have been cut.
See you, dude. Poor fella. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go to the park, Mummy, and slippy slide and stuff.
And the feet, and so I can climb in there.
Yeah.
Yay! I'm so glad to you.
So glad to you. But you have to be careful when you're there, Baba.
I'm so tired. Are you? I am.
I love you, Daddy.
Not really. Oh, I love you too, baby. Oh, yummy. Mummy's getting Ava out the car, baby. Oh, chippies. Let's visit in the park before we go home. Get the kids some playtime. Hey, Baba. Because you like the... Oh, there's slides here. Yay.
Kid with Rachel and Emma.
Ava, you going to have some chicken and chips too? Hello, baby girl. You're so perfect. Look at your little face. Look at your little face.
Little baby angel. Oh, she's smiling.
Hey, what are you doing? Hello. She still looks a bit like What's happening with the glasses?
There you go, babies.
Oh, thanks, Auntie. Oh, go, Darius. Hey?
Are you still working at Ian's cafe?
Yep. But he wants to get a job at TNT. Like Star Trek, but like the freight handling. Go! Whoa! Go, Hazel! Where you want to go, baby? Okay, ready? Keep your legs off. No, keep your legs off here. Off the edge. There we go. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Mummy! Hold on! Hold on, Mummy! Is that funny? Ah! Whoa! You're gonna get dizzy! Whoa!
Daddy, stop it!
Oh, stop it?
I don't like this.
Okay, no more then. Okay, what about that one over there? Or you lay down on it, yeah, like that. Okay, ready? Go! Whoa, this.
I want to go faster.
Look at Sissy, this.
I want to go faster.
Go then. Swing your legs. Woo! This, look, Sissy. Daddy gonna spin you faster. Go. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, get off then. Watch out, you're dizzy. Okay, you want to go on a slide?
Yeah.
Over there?
Whoa.
That's a slide over there. Dizzy girl. Oh, careful. Go distance. Oh, is he helping you? Aw, sweetheart. This is like a more safer one than every other park we've been to, babe. No, the other ones are like just.
Wait, I can see something. Mommy, Daddy.
Okay, you there? Oh, hello. Hello.
Daddy.
Hey, you gonna go down the slide? This. Come down the slide. Whoa, confidence. Whee! Oh, I'm going that slide. Hello.
I don't see it, Daddy.
Did this. Hello. Hello, Darius.
What's that?
His little legs here on the tippy toes. Whoa, God, Darius. Sissy's turn. Go. Woo! Okay, hold on. Hold on. My baby, yeah. Go, baby. What is it? Is this the big red car?
Yeah.
Chug, chag, a big red car. Can I sit with Daddy? Oh, can I sit with you? You sit with Daddy?
No, I want to see you. I want to see you.
But I want to sit next to you in the front. Let's sit like this. See?
Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Where are we going?
We're going to a park.
We're going to the park?
Yeah.
Oh, we're at the park. Do you want to go to visit Nanny in the car? Okay, go driving then. This one. Remember? Steering wheel? Go.
We're going to the park with Nanny now. With old Nanny, pretty Nanny.
Oh, okay. Take us there.
We need
This.
We need that. Whoa! Get in outside! Get in outside!
Hey?
Whoa!
That was skillful. This is, go get it, do this. Look at this run, it's so cute. Hello, Ava. Look, Mummy, selfie with Ava. Aww. Oh, go get it. Go get it, Ava. Kick. Kick. Whoa. Mummy got skills. Mummy got skills. Wow. Who's this amazing person?
Your wife.
Okay.
Go!
Cheese.
Go! Kick it! No, kick it!
Look at Ava. She's just making my stuff black. Here, Mummy. Couple footage and then put it away.
Hazel!
Give me my little baby.
Hazel, what's wrong? Well, someone's cranky.
She put her shoulders up and
You should have brought the toilet up, baby.
I was up. Look at my baby, Mummy. She's gonna play too. Pass the ball here.
Kick it to Ava. No, not out there. Go get it quick. Bring it back.
Mummy, pass the ball here.
Crystal, you were supposed to be
Pass
open!
the ball here. Pass the ball. Pass the ball.
Let's throw the baby.
1, 2.
Yay, baby passes. Oh, hi,
scared,
tiny
Luby,
bear. She's just not doing anything, Daddy. No smiles, nothing. There she is, because Mummy's here. Because she's a Mummy's girl. Hi, Mama. Hi. Yes, she's so precious. Mama,
Aw,
baby.
baby smile.
For Mummy, hey, because she loves Mummy.
Well, I used to play soccer professionally in grade 3.
Did ya? Show us a move. Go on, Crystal, show me a move. Oh, whoa, Georgia.
2 white girls going at it.
They call her Ginger Ronaldo.
I was going for you too, Toto.
Not that tall, come on.
And Christopher Cahill over here.
Christopher Cahill.
Look at Darius. No.
Kicks it. Go. Ready, Mummy? Watch this. It's a good catcher. And catch.
Oh, nearly. One more.
Oh, the double dribble kick.
Oh, nearly. Just tumbled out of it.
Ready? 1, 2, catch.
Yay! Good work, distance.
Georgia.
Oh.
Get it. Push. Nice one.
I'm just waiting for it.
As she gets out like this. Straight to the car. Never see Georgia again. Come on.
I meant to kick that to him.
Nah, you're good, Georgia.
Oh my god, that's
I don't know how to do it. How do you...
No, these are the people that do these ones. This is funny one.
I just spiked myself up.
So if you was like, you know that you just dribble like that, right?
How do you do that?
He goes, he would like it. You know those uncurved ones that are like.
No, you're gonna.
You know those ones?
You're gonna.
And like those people.
Honest to God, I never laughed so much in my life until you.
And like, you know when you just have to, when you skate, like you just have to lift a little bit. It's those ones like. gonna get over everyone's head to me. Can you do it?
She's gonna hit Ava, I bet you.
Just kick it.
Oh my god, what the hell is that?
Yeah, it's funny. Hey, Auntie can't kick. Babe, can you take a photo of me and the girls, please?
Oh, you got it.
Do you want me to take it?
No, me and you.
Oh, no!
No, it's just for like my photo albums. We need photos together.
How do I look? Here, babe, can you flip the front so I can see?
No, I can take a further away one. Oh, to take a selfie, you can go like this.
You want a photo?
I look like an actual dude. You don't.
You're like, huh?
Here.
Nah, jokes. I mean, she's brainy. Okay, close the gate.
2012.
3. Wow, that's gonna be a good one.
Hold on, let me just. Babe, do you want us to have 7 chins? Why you have that angle?
Because it looks like I'm.
We're about to drop an album.
It's like I'm looking down on you. Oh, okay. 3, 2. No, Crystal.
I'm gonna take a nice photo with your sister. Watch out for this, sister.
Go. Swing your legs. Woo! Yeah, watch it. Gareth was too. He just started stomping on him. Okay, go. Stand up. Now walk. Move on the stage. Turn up. Hey, Junk.
Hi. Yeah.
Okay, swing your legs.
Whoa! Look it!
Swing your legs, baby. Go, big girl. Yeah? Okay, yeah. Okay, Baba, ready? Big ones. Hey, hold on. We're gonna do big ones first and then we're gonna go in. We're gonna do a few more big ones, okay? And 1, 2. Whoa! Okay, baby, we're finished now.
Today, because it really looks like it.
Yeah. And chippies and dirt and chicken and sandwich. And nanas too, yeah. And there was a snake and the kangaroos.
Oh, nice teeth.
Oh, we got food stuck in it.
Ah.
My dad was
What?
Sandwich.
sandwich?
Yeah.
Maddage?
Yeah.
Did you have a maddage?
And chippies.
Sit.
And your shit?
No,
Sit.
he's saying chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Are you just guessing this, babe, or what?
No, chicken. This
Alright,
is
just go
chicken.
and have a nice bar.
Chicken.
No, Nanny.
It's in. Oh, yeah.
My ditch.
Ah,
Oh, he wants to get out so bad.
Next time.
Next time, Baba.